to semi-large. Medium to semi-large, 360 pesos. Mayan Quintas. Mayan Quintas, madam. Medium to semi-large, 360 pesos. Mayan Quintas, for only 60 pesos. Next, madam.
Mine Quintas for only 60 pesos. Okay, correct answer naman is 1900. Madam, this one for only 60 pesos, madam, up to large. Up to large for only 60. Mine sampu. Mine sampu, large, madam, for only 60 pesos. Mine sampu, large, madam, for only 60 pesos. Mine sampu, large, madam, 60. Mine sampu, madam, go. Wala kita sa mga comment, madam. Mine sampu. Next na, madam.
Mayan Sampu. Madam, this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large, 360 pesos. Mine Perla. Mine Perla, madam, medium to semi-large, 360 pesos. Mayan Perla, for only 60 pesos. Next na, madam.
Mine Perla for only 60 pesos. Down this one. Down this one, medium to semi-large. Wait hanggang ha. Down, hindi siya floss. Ay, floss pala siya. Sorry. Down, tahi-ulan siya, madam. 36 pesos. Tahi-ulan siya, madam. 36 pesos. Up to large. Comment, ma'am, go. Yes, wala nakita yung comment, madam. Down this one, 36 pesos. Up to large. Mine calendar. Mine calendar. Up to large, 36 pesos. Mine calendar. Up to large, madam, 36. Mine calendar. Next na, madam.
Mayan Calendar. Madam, this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine Gandara. Mine Gandara, madam, medium for 60 pesos. Mayan Gandara, for only 60 pesos. Next na, madam. Picture yan. Madam, this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine Gandara. Mine Gandara, madam, medium for 60 pesos. Mayan Gandara, for only 60 pesos. Next naman.
Mine Gandara. Hello, Madam Rochelle Marquilo. Dam, wala tayo pang bata, madam. Ay, pang yun siya, pang old, madam. Pa-flex na ulit si Perla. Dam, this one, dam, meron pa tayong signal dyan sa inyo, madam. Dam, medium to semi-large for only 60 pesos. Mine baby. Mine baby, madam, medium to semi-large for only 60 pesos. Mine baby, medium to semi-large is 60. Mine baby, medium for only 60. Next na, madam.
Mayan Baby. Madam. Madam Faye. Madam Faye Panibatan. Mali si Perla, dam. Poster look.
Next na, madam.
Mali siya, dam. Guwapa ba siya, dam? Dam, this one, medium. Medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large, 360 pesos. Mayan Tigre. Mayan Tigre, madam. Medium to semi-large, 360 pesos. Mayan Tigre, for only 60 pesos. Next naman.
Mine Tigre. Madam Marisa, ito po si Sampu, madam. Gwapo ganidam. 10/10 ang pagka-black up to large. Gandara. Ito po si Sampu. Tapos ito po si ang likod ni Sampu. Okay, next na, madam.
Madam Joneline Saure, yours si Gandara, madam. Please screenshot 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next na, madam.
Next na, madam. Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine outlet. Mine outlet, medium, madam, for only 60 pesos. Mine outlet, madam, up to medium. For only 60 pesos. Mine outlet. Mine outlet, medium, 60. Next na, madam.
Mayan Outlet.
Madam, Riza Bihag, yours is si baby. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next na, madam.
Madam Faye Panigbatan, yours si Perla, madam. Please screenshot 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next na, madam.
Next na, madam.
Madam, this one, small to semi-met. Small to semi-met for 60 pesos. Mine Kahoy. Mine Kahoy, madam. Small to semi-met for 60 pesos. Mayan Kahoy for only 60 pesos. Next na.
Mine Kahoy, Madam Christine Buntigaw, yours is si outlet. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Sa akin, Madam Journey Valentin. Down this one, up to semi-large. Semi-large, mine Mickey. Mine Mickey, semi-large is 60 pesos. Mine Mickey, semi-large for only 60 pesos. Mine Mickey. Mine Mickey. Next na, madam.
Mayan Nikki. Madam, this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large, 60 pesos. Mayan Carrots. Mayan Carrots, madam. Medium to semi-large, 60 pesos. Mayan carrots for only 60 pesos. Next naman.
Mine carrots for only 60 pesos, madam. Mickey, madam. Rochelle Marquino, yours is si Mickey. Please go screenshot 13123. Madam Fanny, ikaw po nakamain kay Perla, madam. Now this one up to large. Medium to large for only 60 pesos. Mine busay. Mine busay, medium to large, 60 pesos, madam. Mine busay, medium to large, for only 60 pesos. Mine busay. Mine busay. Next time, madam.
Mayan Busay, Madam Risa Bihag, yours is ikaw yung Madam Risa. Please just screenshot 123, 123. Next naman.
Next time, madam.
Madam Rock, isan siya,
Rochelle.
Madam Rochelle Marquelo, new miner po kayo, madam. Please send us your complete details in your 100 pesos down payment. Para di ma-cancel yung item at para makapag-mine pa sa next, madam. One time only, deductible to your invoice. Please check your messenger, Madam Rochelle Marquelo. Meron po kaming pina-M sa inyo, madam.
Next time, madam.
Down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large is 60 pesos. Mine avocado. Mine avocado, madam. Medium to semi-large is 60 pesos. Mayan avocado for only 60 pesos. Next naman.
Hello, Madam Rochelle. Madam Rochelle, taga saan ka po, madam? Ano po yung location niyo po, madam? Madam Rochelle, hindi po namin kayo masenda ng message po, madam. Required po tayo ng 100 pesos down payment before po makapag-mine ng next item. And madam, kindly PM first, madam. Sa message, madam, PM niyo po kami, madam. Kahit mag-send na po kayo ng hello para masendan ka po namin ng mechanics po namin, madam. At para doon po kayo mag-send ng iyong down payment kung magsisend po kayo, madam. Okay, kindly PM us, madam. Mag-send na po kayo kahit dots lang, madam. Para ma-ano ka namin, madam. Para makapag-chat kami sa inyo. Okay, now this one. Ay, meron pala siyang ano. Wag lang to, dam. Nakiabukado. Busay. Madam! Madam Risa Bihag, yours is si Busay. Please go screenshot 13123. Next, madam.
Madam Minka, yours is si avocado, madam. Please just screenshot 123, 123. Second minor, Madam Riza Bihag. Down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large is 60 pesos. Mine quintas. Mine quintas, madam. Medium to semi-large is 60 pesos. Mayan quintas for only 60 pesos. Next naman.
Mayan! Quintas, saan po yan, Madam Rochelle? Dirira ba na siya sa Cebu? If kung Cebu area ka lang po, madam, ha? May now deliver tattoo more, madam. Pin from Gentle Peace Subdivision po tayo, madam. Yes, madam. If kung outside Cebu na po yan, madam, ano po tayo, madam? Wala po tayong meet up or COD, madam. Payment first po tayo sa items in SF. And madam? Yes, madam. Down this one, large. Large, madam, for only 60 pesos. Mine rabbit. Mine rabbit, large, madam, for only 60 pesos. Mine rabbit, large, madam, for only 60. Mine rabbit, large, madam, 60. Rabbit. Next, madam.
Mayan rabbit. Down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large is 60 pesos. Mine lasso. Mine lasso, madam. Medium to semi-large is 60 pesos. Mayan lasso for only 60 pesos. Next naman.
Mine lasso. Daw, super gaganda ng ating new bill, madam. 60 pesos lang. Down this one for only 60 pesos, madam. Semi-med to medium. Semi-med to medium, mine batuta. Mine batuta, semi-med to medium, for only 60 pesos, madam. Mayan batuta, semi-med to medium, for only 60 pesos. Mayan batuta, semi-med to medium. Next, madam. Madam Mariza Alolod, yours is si Rabbit. Please go screenshot 13123. Second minor, Madam Lani Du. Next, madam.
Madam Lenny Du, yours is si lasso, madam. Please screenshot 123, 123. Second minor, Madam Yoli Villafuerte.